Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Visual Studio Code latest version on Xubuntu 24. But the process is same on all Xubuntu versions. First verify whether we have the VS Code comes as the default application. See, you don't have Visual Studio Code. Okay, so first open the default web browser that comes with Xubuntu, that is Firefox. Click on it, then go to code.visualstudio.com. Then click on this .debian or go to downloads, then select the Debian for the Ubuntu, Debian or Xubuntu or Lubuntu operating systems. Select it. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 104 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install it. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd, downloads, ls. See, here we have the code Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i code. Give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, the installer would like to add Microsoft repository and signing key to update VS Code through apt. Add Microsoft apt repository for Visual Studio Code. Use tab to select S and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now go to application menu, then search for Visual Studio Code. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so close this one. You can also open the Visual Studio Code just by giving code on the terminal. Hit enter. Wait a moment. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so go to terminal again. ls. This file is not required anymore because we have successfully installed. Delete it. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Visual Studio Code latest version on Xubuntu 24. Okay, but the process is same on Xubuntu operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.